In this video, I will walk you through the steps to extract the MSI installers for Java. First, download the Java offline installers from the official Java website. Download the version that you require. For the purposes of this video, I will download both 32-bit and 64-bit offline installers. Now we will go to the Downloads folder and run the offline installer. Wait until the initial install splash screen appears, but do not progress through the install wizard. Now open File Explorer and go to the App Data folder, but then go back up a folder to the local low folder. Here you will find the Oracle folder. Go into that and you will see a Java temporary folder. Then you will see the version of Java you have started, with the MSI installer being in that folder. You can then copy this folder to a more convenient location. Do not leave it where it is. The next step will show you why. Now go back to the Java install splash screen and close it using the X at the top right. You will now see that the temporary folder has disappeared, but your copy remains where you copied it. I will now run through the second installer, in this case the 32-bit one, using the same method. Then I am going to create a folder with both installers inside and zip those up. But first, I'll ensure both folders have the correct architecture named. I will include all the relevant links in the comments. If this has helped you out, give the video a like.